SIA Abrafoam Limited. We're experts in foam abrasives. We have manufactured quality foam abrasives on this site for over 20 years, with specially developed technologies for the production of foam, as well as new technology for coating foam, which is completely solvent-free. We manufacture in-house. In a special chemical process, polyurethane foam blocks are produced. The blocks are then cut into sheets and then strips before coating, with a variety of different grit sizes and types, depending on what the customer requires. From foam production to coating to the wide range of packaging, custom printing and quality control, we offer it all here at SIA Abrafoam, in order to maintain the high standards the customers require. A series of different tests on the products ensure that we keep a constant level of quality. You can find our products worldwide. Delivering to our partners globally, we are a one-stop shop. We offer a variety of different products. Foam abrasives can be used on many different surfaces, such as wood, metal, plastic, paint and plaster. They're ideal for contoured surfaces, given their flexibility. From the painter-decorator market to the automotive sector, foam is highly adaptive to the workpiece, producing superior results. SIA Abrafoam is the leading foam abrasive manufacturer in the industry today, using new technology to produce environmentally friendly products made to the highest quality standards.